3 AI tools, one creative battle, and only one can dominate the future of AI art. Artists, designers, and YouTubers are now creating stunning images in seconds using powerful AI tools. But the big question is, which one is actually the best? Is it the cinematic realism of Midjourney, the creativity and accessibility of DALL, or the rising power of Leonardo AI? In this video, we'll compare image quality, features, control, and ease of use to find out who truly wins the AI art battle. Let's dive in. What Midjourney does best? Midjourney is widely considered the king of artistic quality. If you want images that look like they came from a professional concept artist, a high-end editorial magazine, or a cinematic storyboard, Midjourney is hard to beat. The platform runs entirely through Discord, which feels a bit old-fashioned at first, but once you learn the slash commands and the basic prompting style, the results are genuinely impressive. Midjourney excels at producing painterly, dramatic, and stylized visuals with incredible detail and atmosphere. When you type something like a lone samurai standing in a misty forest at dawn, golden hour lighting, cinematic composition, Midjourney almost always delivers something that looks breathtaking. The colors are rich, the lighting feels intentional, and the composition looks like a real artist made deliberate choices. It is especially strong for fantasy illustration, concept art, fashion photography, architectural visualization, and any creative project where aesthetic quality matters above everything else. The model has been trained on an enormous dataset of high-quality artwork, and it shows clearly in the output. Even beginner prompts with simple descriptions often produce gallery-worthy results. The main downside is that Midjourney gives you less precise control. You cannot easily instruct it to put a logo in the top left corner or give a specific character exactly blue eyes. It interprets your prompt creatively, which is wonderful for artistry but frustrating when you need pixel-level precision. There is no free tier anymore, so you have to pay from the very start. Plans begin at around $10 per month, and if you use it heavily for commercial work, you will need a higher plan. Still, for pure visual quality and artistic expression, Midjourney leads the pack by a clear margin. What DALL does best? DALL, made by OpenAI, takes a completely different approach. Where Midjourney is the expressive artist, DALL is the dependable, literal assistant. It is built directly into ChatGPT, which means most people already have access to it through their existing OpenAI account without downloading anything new. The single biggest strength of DALL is how accurately it understands natural language. You can describe a scene in plain, conversational English, and DALL will get the details right far more consistently than its competitors. If you say a birthday cake with 3 blue candles on a wooden table next to a glass of orange juice, DALL will produce almost exactly that. The literal accuracy is genuinely impressive. DALL also handles text rendering inside images better than any other tool in this comparison. If you need an image that includes readable words, such as a poster design, a storefront sign, or a mock business card, DALL handles this significantly better than Midjourney or Leonardo. There is also a solid in-painting feature that allows you to edit specific parts of an existing image by painting over the area and describing what you want there instead, which makes quick revisions much faster. The images DALL produces tend to look clean, polished, and photorealistic, but they can sometimes feel a little flat or generic compared to Midjourney's dramatic style. It is practical and straightforward, which is exactly what many users need for business content, marketing graphics, social media posts, or educational visuals. For anyone already using ChatGPT+, DALL is a natural addition to the daily workflow. It is integrated, accessible, and reliable without any learning curve. What Leonardo does best? Leonardo AI is a powerful web-based image generation platform that is quickly gaining a loyal community. Unlike Midjourney, which makes most creative choices automatically, Leonardo gives users deep control over the image creation process. You can choose from many models designed for styles like photorealism, anime, concept art, product photography, or illustration. It also includes advanced tools such as an image editor, Canvas for complex scenes, and ControlNet, which lets you guide images using references. Very useful for keeping the same character consistent across multiple scenes. Another big advantage is its generous free tier with daily generation tokens, making it accessible for hobbyists and freelancers. The interface is more complex than DALL*, but for creators who want maximum control and professional-level results, Leonardo is one of the most powerful options available today. How they compare on speed and price. Speed and pricing are practical factors that often decide which tool someone actually sticks with long-term. Midjourney's generation speed depends on your subscription tier, with faster results and priority queue access available on higher plans. The base plan is affordable but can feel slow during peak usage hours, when large numbers of users are generating simultaneously. DALL through ChatGPT generates images quickly, typically within 10 to 30 seconds per image, and access is bundled into the ChatGPT Plus subscription at $20 per month, which many users already pay for the text features alone. This makes DALL effectively free if you are already a subscriber. Leonardo offers both free and paid plans, with paid tiers starting at around $12 per month for more daily tokens and faster priority generation. For pure value, Leonardo's generous free tier and DALL-E's all-in-one bundled access give them a meaningful edge over Midjourney's mandatory paid subscription from day one. Which tool is best for which user? The honest answer depends entirely on what you are trying to create. If you are a creative professional, a concept artist, a game designer, a film producer, or someone who needs visually stunning output for a portfolio or high-end client project, Midjourney is the clear choice. The artistic quality is simply in a different league for that kind of work. If you are a marketer, a content creator, a blogger, a writer, or someone who generates images regularly for practical and business purposes, DALL-E's ease of use and strong literal accuracy make it the most efficient tool for everyday workflows. It integrates seamlessly into ChatGPT and just works without much setup. If you are a designer, an indie developer, a small brand building a consistent visual identity, or someone who wants fine-grained control without necessarily spending heavily every month, Leonardo is worth investing time in learning. The platform genuinely rewards users who explore its features, and the output can reach professional quality with the right approach. The real answer for serious creators is that these three tools work best when they complement each other. Many professionals use Midjourney for hero images and artistic visuals, DALL-E for quick edits and text-heavy graphics, and Leonardo when they need structured control over character design or scene composition. You do not have to pick just one forever. So who really wins this AI art battle? Midjourney dominates in cinematic and artistic visuals, DALL-E shines with simplicity and creativity, and Leonardo AI offers powerful customization for creators. In reality, the best tool depends on what kind of art you want to create. Which AI art tool do you think is the winner? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about AI tools and the future of creativity.